Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install drivers in Windows 11. So first you just have to go to your settings, and then here on your settings you have to look for Windows and Update, or Update and Security. Tap this one. Now if you're using Windows 11, that on the Windows Update you have to look for the advanced options. Below here there is this optional updates under advanced options, and here you will see any driver that needs to be updated. So scroll down and tap on optional updates, and then here you have to look for drivers. Under driver updates you will see here an example for this one. You have to tap this one and then download and install. So you just have to wait until it finishes, and this is the first step or first method to install drivers in Windows. The second step is that you have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to look for device manager, tap on open, and then here you have to look for the driver that you wanted to update. For example, let's just say for our display adapters, just right click and then tap on update driver right here. Then you need to choose from any of this. So if you tap the first one, and then if you're using the latest version, updated version, you will see this. But if not, then Windows will suggest you on how to update your driver. And basically, that's how easy it is to install drivers on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.